Hi, I'm Felicity, a registered nurse, cosmetic injector and clinic owner. Welcome to my channel, The Fit Injector. Radiofrequency skin tightening, also known as a non-surgical facelift, has been one of my most popular treatments since I brought it into the clinic last year. I have the FaceShape 5D radiofrequency skin tightening device by SkinMed Australia. I have treated patients in their 20s right through to patients in their 70s, and everyone is having a fantastic result. Not only are we getting amazing instant results directly after the treatment, those results are improving over time and they are long lasting in all of the patients that I've treated so far. So what I want to do is go through some of the before and afters that I have. I have 8 patients to show you. They have all given approval for their photos to be shared, and you can also find those on my Instagram. But I really want to go into detail on exactly what we're seeing in all of these patients with their directly before and directly after treatment results. And I'll also talk about whether these patients have gone on to have multiple treatments. So you get instant results from one treatment, but my recommendation is we do a course of treatment, and then we also do maintenance treatments thereafter as well to maintain those fantastic results. I'm getting excellent feedback from all my patients that they're really happy with this treatment, and they're also getting lots of comments from friends and family about how great their results are. So let's have a look at our patients. Okay, let's have a look at patient 1's results. Now this patient is in their 30s, and here we can see she has had, this is before and immediately after her first treatment to her full face and full neck. So here you can see she has a firmer, tighter, more defined neck and jawline area. She looks fuller and more lifted through the cheek and the mid-face, and she's had a great softening around the eyes. Our second patient here is in her 40s, and this is also before and immediately after her very first treatment, and she's looking forward to having more of these. Now we treated also her full face and full neck. Here we can see she's had a fantastic improvement to her smile lines, her crow's feet, the lines around the eyes, and also really smoothing across the cheeks. Our third patient is in their 20s. Now, this treatment, we actually did a targeted treatment to the jawline and chin area to not only target those fat cells, but to really tighten the skin. And this was to target what we call submental fullness, also known as your double chin, or for this patient and I, we named it the gobble gobble. So it's a fantastic treatment if you also have a gobble gobble. Now, patient number 4 was my mum. She was in her 60s, and this was before and immediately after her very first treatment. Now, she had a fantastic result. We treated her full face and her full neck. And the biggest thing we both noticed here was the improvements to the skin texture on both her neck and her cheeks, the softening of the lines around her eyes. She got a fantastic brow lifting effect, and it also lifted the corners of the mouth and tightened under the chin and jawline area. Now I saw her and I had photos of her a couple of months after, and her results were just getting better and better. Obviously our plan was to do multiple treatments, but this for a first time before and after, this is fantastic. Patient number 5 is in their 40s. Now her main concerns were treating around her chin and jawline and around her smile line area. Now we treated full face and full neck to achieve the best results here. And as you can see, she's had a great improvement to lifting, tightening and the definition to her jawline and chin area. Plus she also had really good lifting around her eyes. Now she has gone on to complete a course of 3 treatments, and her ongoing results have been fantastic. Here's patient number 6, also in their 40s. Now this was just a full face treatment. We can see immediate results in terms of softening to especially that under eye area, the brow lifting and a tighter, more defined jawline. This patient has had 1 treatment, and we will look at doing maintenance treatments. Now patient number 7 is myself in my 30s, as most of you know. Now I had this a couple of weeks after I gave birth to my daughter. Now the biggest thing I noticed here was how much it helped to depuff my face and how much fluid I was holding. I really noticed great results around my eyes in terms of softening those lines, really brightening me up, making me look like I had slept when I certainly wasn't. And overall, my skin just felt firmer and tighter, and I definitely felt more defined through my cheeks and also my jawline area. Now, I've been quite busy. I am due for my second treatment, and I do want to have a third and then do maintenance treatments after that. And I'm really excited to see what I can get out of the treatment. But I certainly feel like those results have really improved over the last few weeks since the treatment. Patient number 8 is in their 30s, and this is after a full face and full neck treatment. Now we can see here there's tighter, firmer and more contoured to the jawline area, the chin and the cheeks, and also much more lifted around the eyes, particularly around that brow area. Now this was the first treatment. We will continue to do a course of treatment plus maintenance treatments, and I look forward to seeing those ongoing results. I hope you enjoyed having a look at these 8 patients who've all had fantastic results from the FaceShape 5D radiofrequency skin tightening device, aka a non-surgical facelift, and I can't wait to bring you more and more as we treat more patients. Now, obviously not every patient I treat is happy for their photos to be shared, which we completely respect. So as I can, I'll get many more of those onto my Instagram page, and perhaps another YouTube as well. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you've got questions about the results or you've got questions about this treatment, drop them below. Don't forget to subscribe, more videos on the way.